Imagine waking up every morning with relentless fatigue, constant pain, and brain fog so thick you can barely think. Your doctors run endless tests, but everything comes back normal. You're told there's nothing wrong, yet you know something is destroying your body from within. This is the reality for millions suffering from chronic inflammation, a silent epidemic ravaging health worldwide. But here's the truth that could change everything. Inflammation isn't some mysterious, untreatable condition. It's a controllable biological process, and you have the power to extinguish this internal fire. Not with expensive medications or complex treatments, but with strategic daily habits and powerful anti-inflammatory foods. What if there was a simple routine that could help reverse chronic inflammation, restore energy, heal your gut, and transform your health in just weeks? Today, you're discovering exactly that protocol. Every meal, every strategy, backed by scientific research. By the end, you'll have a complete roadmap to reclaim your health. Before diving into solutions, you need to understand what's happening inside your body. Chronic inflammation isn't just about pain or swelling. It's a complex biological cascade that becomes the root cause of virtually every major disease plaguing modern society. Heart disease, diabetes, autoimmune conditions, digestive disorders, cognitive decline, and even cancer all share chronic inflammation as their common foundation. At the cellular level, inflammation activates a master pathway called nuclear factor kappa B, or NF-kappa B. When this pathway stays activated chronically, it triggers destructive effects throughout your entire body. Research published in the Journal of Immunology demonstrates how this pathway regulates genes involved in immune responses and inflammatory processes. When NF-kappa B remains persistently active, it creates a state of continuous cellular stress. Your mitochondria, the energy factories in every cell, become dysfunctional under chronic inflammation. Your gut lining becomes compromised, allowing toxins to leak into your bloodstream. Your liver struggles with accumulating toxins. Your hormones fall out of balance. Your immune system becomes overactive and starts attacking your own tissues. Studies show that people with elevated inflammatory markers have significantly higher rates of metabolic syndrome, cardiovascular disease, and premature aging. The inflammatory process generates free radicals that accelerate cellular breakdown at the molecular level. What makes this crisis worse is that the standard modern diet actively fuels inflammation. Processed foods, refined sugars, damaged fats, and chemical additives constantly trigger inflammatory responses. Most people unknowingly eat inflammation for every meal, and their bodies cry out for help while receiving more fuel for the fire. If you're serious about transforming your health, subscribe and hit the notification bell. We're building a community that refuses to accept chronic illness as normal. Drop a comment telling us where you're watching from. We love connecting with viewers worldwide, and your engagement helps us reach more people who desperately need this information. Your healing journey begins the moment you wake up. The first powerful weapon against inflammation is a carefully crafted morning tea that takes minutes to prepare, but delivers profound healing benefits throughout the day. This isn't just wellness hype. The ingredients have been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, and modern science has now validated their remarkable properties with rigorous research. Here's exactly what you need. 1 cup of warm water, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, half a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil, and a pinch of black pepper. The preparation is critical. Warm the water, not boiling, just comfortably warm. Add all ingredients to the warm water, let it sit for 5 to 6 minutes, allowing the compounds to properly infuse, then strain and drink. If the taste is too strong initially, add a small amount of raw honey. Now let's understand why this combination is extraordinarily powerful.
Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been the subject of thousands of scientific studies. Research published in multiple peer-reviewed journals demonstrates that curcumin inhibits the NF-kappa B pathway we discussed earlier. Studies show it blocks inflammatory cytokines and enzymes, essentially turning off inflammatory signals before they cause widespread damage. Ginger contains bioactive compounds called gingerols and shogols with potent anti-inflammatory effects. A comprehensive review in phytotherapy research documented how ginger inhibits cyclooxygenase and lipoxygenase pathways, reducing production of inflammatory prostaglandins and leukotrienes. Clinical studies show ginger reduces inflammatory markers in conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Here's the critical part. Curcumin from turmeric has naturally poor bioavailability, meaning your body struggles to absorb it. But research published in Planta Medica found that adding black pepper, which contains piperine, increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. That's not an exaggeration. Black pepper makes curcumin 20 times more bioavailable. The healthy fat from olive oil or coconut oil further enhances absorption since curcumin is fat-soluble. Lemon juice stimulates bioproduction in your liver, supporting detoxification processes, essential for reducing inflammatory burden. First thing in the morning, before any food, this tea activates your body's natural anti-inflammatory and detox pathways, setting the tone for the entire day.
After the morning tea, the next crucial step is 10 to 15 minutes of intentional movement. This isn't about extreme workouts. It's about strategic exercise that signals your body to shift from inflammatory to anti-inflammatory states. Scientific research conclusively demonstrates that regular physical activity reduces systemic inflammation through multiple mechanisms. Studies published in the Journal of Applied Physiology show that exercise decreases inflammatory markers, including C-reactive protein and interleukin-6. Movement improves insulin sensitivity, which is critical because insulin resistance drives chronic inflammation. Exercise increases blood flow and lymphatic circulation, helping transport inflammatory waste products out of tissues. It activates your metabolism and enhances mitochondrial function, giving cells the energy needed for proper detoxification. Research shows morning exercise also improves sleep quality at night when your body performs most healing and repair work. The exercise type can vary. Cardiovascular activities like brisk walking or using an elliptical machine effectively raise heart rate and stimulate circulation. Body weight resistance training builds muscle, and muscle tissue produces anti-inflammatory signaling molecules called myokines. The key is consistency and sustainability, finding something you'll do every single day.
Breakfast represents your opportunity to provide cellular-level nutrition. The anti-inflammatory breakfast is designed to deliver stable energy, support mitochondrial function, reduce inflammation, and provide lasting satisfaction. The foundation is an anti-inflammatory smoothie with perfect macronutrient balance. Here's the formula. 1 scoop of high-quality protein powder, either vegan protein from pea or chia protein, or collagen protein. Avoid whey protein as it can trigger inflammation for many people. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds soaked overnight in water. Research shows chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, which your body converts to EPA and DHA, the same anti-inflammatory fats found in fish oil. They're loaded with fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Studies demonstrate chia seeds reduce inflammatory markers and improve metabolic health. Include 5 almonds soaked overnight. Soaking activates enzymes and breaks down phytic acid, making nutrients more bioavailable. Almonds provide healthy monounsaturated fats, magnesium, which is a powerful antioxidant, and protein. Add ½ inch of fresh ginger root and 1 generous handful of fresh spinach leaves.
Spinach provides folate, vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, and numerous antioxidant compounds, including lutein and zeaxanthin. For fruit, use half a cup of blueberries, strawberries, or half an apple. Berries are particularly valuable because they're rich in anthocyanins and polyphenols with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Research shows regular berry consumption reduces oxidative stress and inflammatory markers.
Add water and ice to achieve desired consistency, then blend until smooth. This smoothie is mitochondrial fuel because it provides everything your cellular energy factories need for optimal function. The protein supports muscle maintenance and cellular repair. The healthy fats provide stable energy without blood sugar spikes. The fiber slows digestion and feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which produce short-chain fatty acids with powerful anti-inflammatory effects throughout your body. Lunch follows a strategic structure designed to optimize digestion and minimize inflammatory responses. Always begin with vegetables, specifically a large salad. This isn't arbitrary. Studies show that eating vegetables first, before proteins and starches, significantly improves blood sugar control and reduces post-meal insulin spikes. The fiber in vegetables slows carbohydrate absorption, creating more gradual, stable blood sugar responses that minimize inflammatory signaling. The salad foundation includes mixed greens like lettuce, spinach, and arugula. Add cucumbers for hydration and antioxidants, and tomatoes rich in lycopene, a carotenoid that research shows has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Crucially, add avocado. Avocados provide monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, extensively studied for anti-inflammatory effects. Research demonstrates avocados reduce inflammatory markers and increase absorption of fat-soluble antioxidants from other vegetables by up to 15 times. After vegetables comes protein. For plant-based eaters, 1 cup of lentil soup or chickpeas provides excellent protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. Research shows regular legume consumption reduces inflammatory markers, improves cholesterol, and enhances blood sugar control. For those consuming animal products, wild-caught fish provides omega-3 fatty acids, EPA, and DHA, among the most powerful anti-inflammatory nutrients known. Thousands of studies document how omega-3s reduce inflammatory cytokines and improve cell membrane function. The grain component, half a cup of brown rice or quinoa, provides B vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Quinoa is particularly valuable as a complete protein containing all essential amino acids. Finally, add healthy fat on top of grains. 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil is one of the most studied anti-inflammatory foods. It contains oleocanthal, a compound that research shows works similarly to ibuprofen in reducing inflammation, but without side effects. The polyphenols in quality olive oil reduce inflammatory markers and protect against oxidative damage. Dinner follows similar principles, but excludes grains to reduce caloric and carbohydrate load before overnight fasting. Eating dinner between 6 and 7 evening creates a 12 to 14-hour fasting window. Research on time-restricted eating shows profound anti-inflammatory benefits during fasting periods, when cellular cleanup processes called autophagy dramatically increase. The final component happens before sleep and is equally important as any meal. Sleep is when your body performs most healing, repair, and regeneration. Poor sleep quality or insufficient duration dramatically increases inflammation and undermines all dietary efforts. The bedtime routine begins 1 hour before sleep by turning off all screens, television, computers, tablets, smartphones. Blue light from these devices suppresses melatonin production. Melatonin is your primary sleep hormone, but research reveals it's also a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory molecule. Studies show melatonin reduces oxidative stress, protects mitochondria, and modulates immune function in ways that reduce inflammation.
Reading a physical book during this screen-free hour provides a relaxing transition activity that doesn't interfere with melatonin production. Research shows reading printed material reduces stress and prepares the mind for sleep more effectively than digital devices. The final step is 10 to 15 minutes of meditation before bed. Meditation and mindfulness practices have been extensively studied for effects on inflammation. Research demonstrates regular meditation reduces inflammatory markers, including C-reactive protein and interleukin-6. Meditation reduces cortisol, your primary stress hormone, which, when chronically elevated, drives inflammation and disrupts sleep. Studies using brain imaging show meditation activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode, directly countering the sympathetic stress response that drives inflammation. Quality sleep itself is profoundly anti-inflammatory. During deep sleep stages, your brain clears metabolic waste, cells undergo repair processes, your immune system resets, and inflammatory markers naturally decline. You now have a complete, science-backed anti-inflammatory routine addressing inflammation at its root. The morning tea activates healing pathways, strategic exercise amplifies benefits, the nutrient-dense meals provide continuous anti-inflammatory nutrition. The bedtime routine ensures quality sleep for deep cellular repair. Remember, transformation requires consistency. Give yourself time. Improvements appear progressively as your body heals layer by layer. If this video was helpful, kindly type yes in the comment. That motivates us to produce more content like this. Hit that like button, share with anyone struggling with chronic inflammation, and subscribe so you don't miss future content. Your journey to healing starts now. Thank you for watching.